Hey guys, and welcome to episode 6 of our Getting to Know Azure Data Services series. Today, we're going to be talking about Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory is a cloud-native integration service. It allows you to orchestrate and to automate the movement of data between different sources and different destinations. Azure Data Factory uses pipelines to orchestrate your data movement. A pipeline is the logical grouping of activities that define the flow of data from its source to its destination. Activities can represent the different tasks that are being done, such as copying data, transforming data, or running your custom scripts. To get started with Azure Data Factory, you need to define the data sources that you will be working with. These can include your sources like databases or files, and your sources can reside on-premise inside of the Azure cloud or inside of any other cloud resource such as the AWS S3 bucket. Azure Data Factory supports a wide range of data sources so that you can connect to the systems that you are already utilizing. Once you have defined your data sources, you can set up pipeline to specify the sequence of activities that you want to have performed on your data. So for example, you may want to extract out some data from a database, transform that data into a different format, and then load that data into a data lake or a data warehouse for analysis. Azure Data Factory allows you to set up these data workflows without the need to create complex code. Data movement is a crucial aspect of Data Factory. The service provides you with built-in connectors, allowing you to efficiently move your data between those data sources. In addition to the data movement processes, Azure Data Factory provides you with powerful data transformation capabilities. You can apply transformations like filtering, sorting, and aggregating data. You can even join your data with other data sources before you load that data into its destination. Azure Data Factory is a highly resilient and scalable service. It can handle a large volume of data and can easily be scaled up or down to meet your workload needs. It also provides you with built-in fault tolerance and automatic retries to ensure the integrity of your data and to minimize the disruptions. Furthermore, Azure Data Factory seamlessly integrates with other Azure services such as Azure Data Lake Storage, Azure SQL Database, Synapse, Databricks, and many more services. This integration allows you to build end-to-end solutions that take full advantage of the Azure ecosystem. In conclusion, Azure Data Factory is a versatile and robust integration service that simplifies the data movement and the transformation of your data from its sources to its destinations. So whether you're working with on-premise systems or cloud-based systems, Azure Data Factory provides you with a resilient and scalable platform for you to manage your data flows. It has a user-friendly interface and provides you with many different integration capabilities. Azure Data Factory is a great choice for your data integration and your data transformation workflows. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again in episode 7.